fast approaching, and many of us are getting our yards ready, doing some spring cleaning around the house, and everyone's looking for things to do right now in particular,
yeah,
right?
Absolutely. You get a little bit more time at home than you normally would. But have you thought about getting your vehicle ready for spring? If not, don't worry. Automotive expert Lauren Fix joins us live this morning to give us some spring car tips. And Lauren, good morning. Great to see you again out of Buffalo. Let's talk about, when you think about your vehicle, what's the first thing as we get into this warmer season you should do?
Well, good morning. Yes, the first thing you want to do is wash the exterior of your car. Think about all the salt and grime and everything you picked up from the roadways during the winter, and you got pollen coming. I know you've talked about that earlier in the show, but all that just starts building up on that paint, and it actually can dig into the clear coat and destroy the value of your vehicle. So get a good coat of wax on. Now, here's a great way to burn 200 calories an hour. I know you like to work out, Jim, so you can actually wash and wax your. Yes, Steph too. Well, I know she's in great shape, but if you can wash and wax your car, it burns 200 calories an hour. So like put on your Apple Watch and start working out.
Wax
something to do to get the whole family, out of the house, right in your yard, especially right now. Wash everyone's cars. You can do that. Let's talk about the windshield wipers.
Vacuum the carpet too. Don't forget to vacuum the carpet. Get all that salt and grime out.
Yeah, and the windshield wipers. How do you know, if you need to replace them, or is there anything you can do to kind of fix them and not buy replacements?
Well, if you just put them on recently and they're still squeaking and squealing, get some rubbing alcohol, wipe it along the blades, and that just takes off that excess grime. But if you haven't replaced them in 6 months, they're designed to be replaced every 6 months because 80% of your driving decisions are based on visibility. You're going to have rain coming and all kinds of lovely spring weather, and you want to be able to see. You want to make those decisions very wisely because obviously you've got your precious cargo with you. But, all these type of basic maintenance, change your oil, check your battery, check your tire pressure. Simple. Teach your kids to do this. They do not teach us in driver's ed. Open the driver's door. There's a sticker inside. Show them where it is. Every car is different. Get a tire pressure gauge. I prefer a digital or a dial. Easier to read. The stick gauges are like a thermometer under your tongue. It's so 1960. And actually show the kids how to do it. Do each corner. Teach
Lauren,
them
I
the
get
skill.
so satisfied when that thing pops out. It's very satisfying for me.
You just want to keep testing
you just want to keep testing.
Wow, it's 35. It's 35.
You can't read them clearly. You're like reading it like a stick thermometer.
All right, so Lauren, it looks like gas is going to go below $1 a gallon here coming up, but still a lot of people quarantine. We don't know when we're going to get released like that. How do you plan ahead for a long road trip, car trip?
In 30 seconds,
later on this summer. Yeah, about 20 seconds now.
Okay, try to plot it out. You can use gasbuddy.com. You can go to AAA, whatever you want to do. Plan out where the gas stations are. Look for the best prices, and you can plan ahead. People will be traveling. Warm weather will hopefully clear up this virus quickly.
All right, Lauren Fix. You just gave everyone that's watching something for the whole family to do for an entire day, maybe 2. You can tell the neighbors we'll wash your car too. Stay in your house, we'll come to yours.
And you're burning 200 calories an hour, as you heard from Lauren Fix.
So win-win.
Pretty good. All right, Jen, over to you.